What's up guys, Ben with Kame Trick. Today we're doing a driver's school out in Edmond. We got Zach and Zach who are going to be helping us out with that. And then we got this pretty cool crew of cars back here to learn with us. Hopefully it's not too windy, we'll see. But we're going to be doing some fun driver instruction. The only time that you'll hear me say I really love school course at Ebisu, driver schools. Let's do this. So a little warm up before we start drifting today. So one of the key things to becoming a good drifter is training.
What are you doing this?
I drank all last night.
Oh dude, that was sick. Well done though, even getting halfway through it. Nice.
Oh yeah.
So now that we've trained, we can go drift. We've got it all figured. We're all in tip-top shape for the challenges of drifting cars, which is totally way harder than what these guys just did. Yeah. Time to get to it. Let's send them. Things are going great. We have set up a donut that we then had go into a figure eight. And then once people were comfortable with the figure eight, we built this course back here, which is just a little S. Have people going around that, and everybody's making good progress. It is a great time.
We built an infinity loop, and it's just a simple S.
Okay.
Each of the ends of the S are a switchback.
Right.
And they're just gonna use this as an outside, an inside, go around the barrel, and go backwards on the S from the other side of the cones, and just keep going around in a figure, well, not a figure eight, but an infinity loop in S shapes.
Right on.
So you don't need a whole track to stay on this line.
guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Get it figured out? You feel like you made some good progress?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It looks like it.
Yeah, that last time around, he was doing just holding it out from the barrel. I felt like I learned a bunch. I mean, from my first time ever going out here,
Yeah.
and starting with not being able to do a donut to kind of being able to do the course. I guess I did all right. So
Yeah, and you got the donuts down, the figure eight strong, and you made it around the course a few times.
thanks for sitting in there, giving me,
Yeah, of course.
tips and stuff.
Of
So
course.
anything helps really.
Yeah, you just gotta get the feel for it, like I said, and some people's way of trying to explain it resonates with you more than others, so that's why we like to have a couple instructors out.
It went really well. Even did a little bit of tandeming. The car held its own and it's running like a top, and I'm on the same set of tires all day and I've been trying to kill them and they were already worn out.
This has been Ben and Jeremy with Kame Trick. Tell them what to do.
That's a wrap!
Hey!
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the little notification button.
My man.